enough, homie. So I have installed it. I'm gonna press them all down for a bit. I'm not just gonna get excited and break my neck to install it and then it drop off by the time I go over a hump. Come on guys, back with another one. Going to modify my baby, you know, Golf R has always been my dream baby and I can't believe it. Obviously don't pre the thing, it's got no plates, obviously for the video. I think it actually looks better with no plates and I might drive it about on the roads for 10 minutes or so. No, not really. Today I'm here with a new modification. It's pretty much gonna be a spoiler lip extension. Why have I got the hazards on? I just love the beauty of them though. Come on. Before I get into it, Dave, Damien, big you lot up, large you lot up. You lot, the support that you lot give me, I love you guys so much. Damien, happy birthday. Pick yourself out of the time I'm filming this. I've literally just picked the spoiler up. One of my boys bought me a little gift for the car. It's not the Maxton one, but still gives me a rough idea if I want to do modifications or add the little Otinja style one. I see some polos with it. But you know, everyone each to their own. I remember when my first car, I was putting some stupid AliExpress Temi. I was putting a little bullshit, cheap shit on the car. Didn't really look good. I'm a bit skeptical about this one. But I'm gonna give it a try. If not, worst things worse. Back off all the glue and all of that. Start back again from scratch. Right, so guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm literally gonna get cleaning. Clean off the whole edge of this. Just give it a little wet. And with the Maguires, you just pull it in one direction, pull off the dirt. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Pull the dirt off. Use the other side. Give it a nice little wipe. Then we good to go, man. Wow, if you like the way I wipe it, don't forget to buy me a coffee. Link is in the description. More coat to make sure I know there's no dirt and grime under that car. I do not want the 3M tape to be lifting. Give this a little clean. Make sure that bit looks a little bit better. You get what I'm saying? No, so that's done the cleaning. I've nicked a bit of mummy's bay rum. Hope she doesn't need it. So I'm gonna quickly rub some rubbing alcohol just on the edges to make sure it's fully clean. So yeah, can't get no better than that. Whoa, oops, that was a lot. Yeah, can see it on there. So I know for a fact there shouldn't be no dust or grime that lifts up on the spoiler. So for the cleaning side, I know that should be clean, yeah? Oops. Alright, so we've got the 3M tape and alright. Okay, so this just goes like, so I'm gonna, this looks like this is gonna blow away, so. Let's see how this is gonna sit. I'm a silver OCD man, so this has gotta sit flush for me. Alright, so okay. So, make sure there's no gaps. Wonder how that's gonna fit on with the thing on, but it's a bit gappy, you get it? it's a bit gappy rank, so I'm gonna set up some little bit of tape so I know roughly where I want it to fit, because I'm an OCD man. If it doesn't fit to my standards, I'm not happy. So I just said don't fully go down, bruv. That's what I don't understand. Like, why is that bit not curved? Yeah, I'm grateful. I'm gonna just put the reeler thing on. If it don't look good, it's coming straight off. It's coming straight off. It's coming straight off. Enough, homie. So I have installed it. I'm gonna press them all down for a bit. I'm not just gonna get excited and break my neck to install it and then it drop off by the time I go over a hump. Not that I go over humps fast anyway, because if you own a Golf, you know Golfs hate humps. They start making a bag of noise when you go over the hump. Like, man, you're thinking, right, what's that? It's like the alternator sound. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this down. Nice. If I had a lighter on me, I could have just. A man always has to have a lighter on him. It's also fire. You never know what could happen to you. You can get stranded. Whether you're a smoker or not, always have a lighter on you. It's a source of fuel. So I'm just gonna use this to heat it. It's not a heat gun, but flames doing something. As long as I don't get on the plastic. Ooh, or burn my hand. Just use that heat to try. Ooh, it's getting hot, boy. But I'm seeing it melting though. Fuck. Want you to pre the thing. Let me just get the camera to focus. Sorry guys, alright, so I've put some tape on both sides just to make sure that it sticks down properly. I think like from a distance of here, yeah, I think it does make it look a bit mad. I think obviously in the daylight you'd see it a bit more better, but yo, can't lie, I'm not too keen on the setup, but it still looks mad, bro. Like from here, it looks like a breezy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna leave these to hold it down for a bit, yeah? So meanwhile that's holding on, I'm gonna go on to the next video, which you can watch after, which is where I'm gonna polish the exhaust tips and make them stand out a little bit more. Once this sets for a bit, I'm gonna give that a wipe down again. yeah, gonna give that 10 minutes or half an hour to set down. So I've given it a little while. I'm gonna start to remove off the stuff now then. Now that was sticky. Obviously I don't like that it don't come directly to the edge. It's not really a flush setup, but we will get through it or either change it. So remove finishing touches. Alright, there's a mad gap here. I don't even know. That. So I don't really like that bit, but other than that, it's all good. So I feel like I'm trying to do this with one hand. I'm just gonna put a little bit of Mummy's Bay Rump on it and give it a little wipe. Clean. I feel like the car looks mean already, man. Yo, me want a house in a yard in a foreign. Them putting on a cash. Yeah, I think that looks clean. That looks clean. Let me know what you lot think of this, yeah? Like, it's not too bad. Let me know what you lot think of that one there. Obviously it's night time, so you're not gonna really see it too clearly, but that's why I think you guys should follow me on Insta.